Here we have a 2012 Bentley Continental Flying Spur Speed. This one comes in alpine green on magnolia leather interior. And this one's an all-wheel drive model that has a 6-liter, 12-cylinder turbocharged engine. Then you've got your HID headlamps there. And there you have your 20-inch Flying Spur Speed wheels. You've got passive keyless entry on all 4 doors. And there you've got your power door locks, power windows. And you've got a power seat with power lumbar support and memory seating. And there are your headlamp controls there. And then here you've got a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. We'll get back to that in a moment. And of course, with this being a Flying Spur, you've got plenty of leg room, and I mean plenty. The seat in front of me is adjusted for someone 6'3", and I'm 6'3", sitting behind here with plenty of space. You've got your AC vents here, here, and here you've got your window module, but you also have got heated and cooled seats in the back as well. So really neat. And of course, you've got your little tray table here. Then down here you've got dual zone automatic climate control for the rear. And you can light your cigar here. And there you've got a nice little remote, so you can control the radio if you would like. And it's crazy, even in 2012, or even in 2020, how this 2012 is still so cool. You've got wood grain on the door panel there. And here, you've got your controls to even mess with the seat, the rear seat. So, it's pretty crazy. And you also have memory seating for the back too. And there's your passenger seat there. So we're gonna check out what's under the hood. And there's a 6-liter W12 engine, twin turbo. And there's your massive trunk space there. turn the AC down a little bit. So there you've got your navigation system. And then you've got your AM, FM, and XM radio. And you've also got an aux input, as well as a CD drive. And then here you've got dual zone automatic climate controls. And then you've got your electronic parking brake. And over here, you've got your power mirror controls. And then with your gear shifter, you just press down here, pull down for reverse, neutral, drive, and then you can go down to shift mode for the paddles, which are right here, or you can push up, go to the right, and then you can shift that way. So of course in the front you've got your heated and cooled seats. You can adjust your suspension, your ride height, all of that. And then you've also got the rear shade, which you can control as well. Over here, of course, you've got a cigarette lighter. And you've got two little storage compartments in here. And then you've also got, of course, a power sunroof. So I like how you're able to turn the knob to adjust that. And then you've also got a power shade for that as well. Of course, it's a Bentley. They've left no stone unturned here. Then you've got an additional 6-disc CD changer there. Then you can plug in an iPod or something like that over there. Still plenty of space for your owner's manuals and gloves and whatnot. Got your push button start, your key fob here. Then over here you've got your cruise controls. You've got your Bluetooth controls as well as your controls for the gauge cluster. So next, it's time to go ahead and take this Flying Spur Speed out on the road for a test drive. So of course the ride is absolutely fantastic. Even with this being a 2012, just the smoothest ride ever. And it's a Bentley, so it's, you know, you're getting looks. It is a beautiful car. And sport mode is really where this car shines, because the paddle shifters allow you to get in that sweet spot where you can really push this 12-cylinder twin turbocharged engine to its limits. Oh man, this is just great. Such a fun car. And it really sounds amazing. And very quiet in the cabin, which is to be expected, but just coming down the interstate doing 65, very little intrusion within the interior. And those turbos are just crazy. This thing gets you up to speed so quickly. It's a marvel, it really is, that you're able to push a sedan this huge to speeds that quickly. Just incredible acceleration, absolutely incredible. And when you're not nailing it, it really goes back to being a super quiet, super luxurious four-door car. Just amazing. And this car really does just move through the gears so effortlessly. That twin turbo power is just, it doesn't get old, it really doesn't. Even in a vehicle that's 8 years old. Still got the performance that's just incredible. That brings us to an end of my review of the 2012 Bentley Continental Flying Spur Speed.